Feels smoother overall. Since these are street tires, I tend to feel the road a lot more, but I feel like the Coil Sumos and the SumoSprings in the rear absorb most of that vibration. It's overall smoother ride so far. Let's see how it handles on the turns though. No body roll. That's an improvement. When I would take those sharp turns, the truck would roll into the direction I was turning into, but I feel like with the Sumos now, that there's no body roll at all, or it's minimal if that. Never knew that the coils would make this much of a difference.